Hey everyone, it's Ansar Ahmed here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you that how you can convert a Word file to the PDF without downloading any software using all online resources. So let me show you how it's done. Alright, so for today's video we have this Word file. Let me open it up so you can see how a Word file looks like. This is a Word file. You may know about it. Subscribe to my channel. It's really appreciated, and please do it if you're new here. So how I'm going to convert this Word file to a PDF format. Just simply open up your web browser and just type convert Word to PDF and search for it. When you search for it, it loads you all these websites, and all these websites may allow you to convert a Word file to the PDF or a PDF to a Word file. But as usual, if you've seen my previous video, so I recommend those type of websites which is super easy to use and to work upon. So for today's video I'm recommending you these two websites. The one is ilovepdf.com right here, and the first one is smallpdf.com. Let's see how it works. When you open up this smallpdf.com, you can see this choose file option right here. Just click on it and you will see this those Word files that say, and from here you can just click on them and open them up. And when you upload them, it starts uploading and converting to PDF. And once this file is converted to PDF, you can just simply click on this download button, select a location where you want to save it on your PC, and click on the save button, and hence they are saved. Now here you can see this this is the Word file that I had before, and this is the PDF format of that Word file. Let me open it up. Here it is. But before we end this video, please do me a great favor, subscribe if you haven't already, and press the bell icon, and if you have already subscribed, and share this video, friends.
If we see an op, then it's a go. Now we deep on a mission. I don't care, anybody can